Have a good day, dear students. I hope all of you be safe and healthy. Now let's see about how to creating a new file, creating a new folder, renaming a file, deleting a folder, modes of use. In computer, files are created using some application software. For example, create a text file using Notepad. To open Notepad, first click on Start button, then click on Notepad application. Now enter some text and save your work by clicking on File and Save As from the menu bar. You can see the Save As dialog box while clicking the Save As option. Then type your favorite name in the file name text box. After that, click on Save button. Immediately, your file will be saved with your favorite name. Now you can see your saved name on the title bar. Students, now you create a text file using Notepad. Whenever you want to see this file, we can see through the document folder from the Windows Explorer navigation pane. Now let's see how to create a new folder. There are two methods to create a new folder. Let's know about them one by one. First method, create a new folder through the command bar. Second method, by right-clicking anywhere on the empty space. When you right-click anywhere on the empty space, you can see a menu box. Move the mouse pointer to the new option, then click the folder option in the menu box. A new folder is created. Another one method, just click on the new folder in the command bar. This new folder is created easily while you click on the new folder menu in the command bar. Now, the name of the new folder is highlighted. As it is highlighted, you can change another name. Just right click on a file or folder you want to rename. Then context menu will appear. Then select rename from the menu. After that, you can type your favorite name. After the changing, you can see the new name instead the name of the new folder. At last, press the enter key. Then you can see the new name. You can also rename your file or folder by pressing F2. This is the shortcut key for this. There are two methods to delete unwanted folder. You can follow any one method among them. First one, just click on the file or folder to be deleted. Then click on Organize menu and click on Delete. This is the Delete folder pop-up window. Here you click Yes to delete the file or folder. The deleted file or folder moves to the recycle bin. Another one method, just right click on the folder and select Delete from the context menu. The Delete folder pop-up window will appear. When you click Yes in the Delete folder pop-up window, the deleted file or folder moves to the recycle bin. You can also use shortcut keys to create a new folder. Yes, when you press Shift key, Control key and N keys together, you can create a new folder easily. Next, modes of view. Windows Explorer provides a number of different ways to view files and folders. You can choose View Style by opening a folder and then clicking on the View option in the toolbar. When you click View option in the toolbar, you can select the required view mode option. Also, you can right-click on the right pane and take the cursor to the View option. Select the required view mode option from the context menu that appears. When you right-click on the blank portion, we can see various view options. Each one view mode option has different name. For example, the name of the first one view mode is extra large icons. It makes the icons of files and folders large. These large icons are known as thumbnails. Second one, large icons. It displays icons that are little smaller than extra large icons. Third one, medium icons are smaller than large icons. This is small icons view mode. It displays icons as representing the types of the files. This is list icons. It makes a list of all files and folders and displays them as small icons. This is styles view mode. Next, details. In this view, a list of all the files are shown as small icons. The Explorer window lists details about files and folders in different columns: date, type, size, and rating. Last one, content. It arranges all files and folders in separate rows. These rows provide detailed information which includes the date when the file was last modified, the size of the file, the author of the file, and the length of the file. Students, one more thing. If you forget the locations of the files and folders, you can search easily in libraries. Search bar is located at the top right corner of the search pane. Type the name of the file or folder you want to search. Explorer will start displaying items. Choose the desired file and double-click on it. The selected file will open. You can also use the search box on the Start menu. Then, Windows allows us to create shortcuts for any file or folder. Just right-click on any file or folder to create its shortcut. Click on Create Shortcut from the context menu that appears. After that, the shortcut icon will appear in the same window. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood about how to create a new file, creating a new folder, renaming a folder or file, deleting a folder or file, modes of views, searching files, and creating a shortcut. If you have any doubt, you are always welcome to ask me. Thank you, children. God bless you. Have a good day.